If your metal detector is equipped, the picture of the detector, bottom left, will appear when you are near something. Then equip the detector, press Y for Xbox.
Press LT, the M button, to bring up the scanner. The scanner will have a red light. Follow towards the direction of the red light until the 5 lights come on and press RT to check the ground.